Good morning. This is your boy DJ Searchlight here. I love you so much. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are new, kindly subscribe, like, and share. This is a good news that watu wa Embu, we are coming to Embu on Nokras, at Nokla, sorry. Yeah, and that is on the 27th this February. What we are going to do is on my description, on my bio, take the link, register, then from there give me a screenshot on my number is still there, and then from there we are good to go. What you are going to do on that link, you just fill everything that needed there. This is Scope Market. The Scope Market, all we know, is the best market here in Kenya and regulated market in Kenya. So make sure that you have, take that link, click on it, register, and then from registering you get a call. From that call, explain anything that you want. So from there, tupatane on the 27th pale no class. Come with your book, come with your pen, come with your laptop, with your phone. Then from there, I myself, I'll be there and we'll have a physical class, and from there you're good to go, and utatoka hapo ukiwa mtu mwenye anajua kutrade. Yeah, so it's free to join and it's free to come on that day. But remember, if you are coming that day, you must be registered through that link so you can enter free, you can have a lunch free, you can have a breakfast free. So remember, you must click on the link ndio ukuje usome free classes. Yes, physical class. After that you are good to go. And remember, nitawekea kakitu on your trading site. Okay, goodbye. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Make sure tumepatana Nokras date 27 this February. Make sure umebeba pen, umebeba simu yako na laptop. Yeah.